Hello, in this video I am going to show the page break preview, how to insert, remove, adjust and move breaks of a record. As you can see, this is our data file with 100 number of rows and 14 number of columns. While we taking the printout of this record, it would not possible to take it in single page. First, let's see where the default page break occurs. For that, select File tab, then select Print option. Now you can see that there are 9 pages where 47 number of rows and 5 columns on first and second page, 6 number of rows with 5 columns on third page, page 4 and 5 with 47 rows and 7 columns and so on. And you can see that the page numbers 3, 6 and 9 has just 6 number of records. So we can specifically tell the Excel where to put page break to get the data evenly between the pages. So by default, in an Excel sheet, the page break occurs at after the columns I and R, and horizontally at 45 rows after the 45th row and 95th row, etc. And in our record, by default, the breaks occurred at the column E, L vertically and 47, 94 horizontally. Let's view the page breaks first. So from the View tab, from the Workbook Views group, select Page Break Preview. So as you can see that in this record, our page breaks, the default page break of this record occurs at the column E, L, that is vertically column wise page break, then after 47th row and then to 94th row. So this is the default page break of our record. Now let's go and edit the page break option. For that, again click on View tab. From the View tab, select Page Break Preview. Now you can see a blue dotted lines of page breaks, right? So put your cursor over the blue dotted lines. So here you can see a vertical cursor point, so you can move or drag upward to the desired point of page breaks. So to here I am going to break after 20th row. So now I specifically tells where the first horizontal break should occur. In this manner, we can edit the page breaks. Now let's split more page breaks horizontally and vertically. First, look at on horizontal page break, that is row wise page break. For that, select a row in which the record has to be broken. Here I need to break the pages in every 20th row. So I select the 21st row. remember, page break occurs at top if it is horizontal page break, that is row wise, and at left if it is vertical page break, that is column wise. So as I said, I selected the 21st row in order to get split at 20th row. From page layout menu, from the page setup groups, select breaks option and click on insert page break. So now you can see that a page break occurred after 20th row. So next is after 40th row, right? So for that I have to select the 41st row, and from the page layout menu, select breaks option from page setup group and click on insert break. So in this manner, let's do the remaining page breaks also. Horizontal page breaks, next page break should be on 60th row. So I selected the 61st row, then I inserted page break. The last one, 80th. So in this manner I split horizontal page breaks. Now you can see that our data has splitted into 4 pages horizontally. Next, how we can split vertical page breaks. As I said, page breaks occurs at top or left. Since it is column wise page breaks, it occurs at left. So select the column in which you need to split before the selected column. So here I need to break vertically on order date, so I selected the column order ID. Since the page break is going to occur on vertical portion, it would occur on left side, so I selected order ID to get split after order date column. So from the page layout menu, select breaks from page setup group, then click on insert break. So now you can see that a page break occurs after order date, and here also you can drag it like this. So now it is all clear. So we did our horizontal and vertical page breaks on our record. Now let's preview how the page will look like when we take a printout. So here we have 10 pages. From region column to order date we have columns. Since we split it after the order date on vertical page break, and 20th row as horizontal page break, so we can view 20 rows and till order date columns. So this is how we can do the page breaks. So I hope you all understood the concept of page break. So this is how we can insert, remove, adjust or move page breaks in MS Excel. Thank you so much.